Okay, what I'd like to do here is give you a little demonstration of a Morse code practice simulator program that I like really well. It's called RufzXP, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It has to do with the RUFZ has to do with the German term for listening to call signs, and that's what this program does. Is it transmits amateur radio call signs by Morse code, and you can practice trying to see if you can copy them properly. The program was written by DL4MM and IV3XYM. I'm going to start at 20 words per minute here, and for every call sign that I get correct, the program will increase the speed by 1 word per minute. If I get it wrong, it'll decrease it by 1 word per minute. So I think that you will notice that during this session, where I'm going to do 100 call signs, that the speed will gradually change over time as I do poorly or well. And what you will see is then when the call sign comes at me too fast, that I will typically just enter 2 or 3 characters and then hit enter and move on to the next call sign. When you're contesting, if you don't copy someone's call sign completely, it's traditional to just retransmit what you have heard with a question mark and let that station come back with their call sign again. So that's what happens in real life, and here if a call sign comes at me a little bit on the fast side, I don't want to delay trying to remember what I heard. I want to practice in such a way that I actually copy the entire call sign as it's being sent. So let's give it a whirl here. My call sign is KU4A. And when I hit enter here, it will ask me if I want to start at 20 words per minute, which is what I typically do. And I'll hit enter again, and then we'll be off and running. If you think you'd be interested in downloading the program for your own benefit, first of all, you'll see my scores there and so forth. The website is www.rufzxp.net. 73 for now.